This is Spider-Man Renditions 25456. We're going to randomize these names 5 times. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, with Albion on the top and Albion on the bottom. We got Venom, Demogoblin, we got Spider-Man variant, Vulture, Scheme Twist, Green Goblin, number 399, Scarlet Spider, and Spider-Man. Oh, we had a Ghost Spider variant, Polaris, Shocker, Lizard, and oh my goodness, Sinister Syndicate. Kingpin, Carnage, Daredevil variant, Ghost Spider in the Goblin Green, number 399. Carrion and Scheme Twist. A Firestar variant, Ghost Rider, Holographic Illusion Mysterio, Venom, and Green Goblin. Venom, Green Goblin, the variants, Jessica Jones, War Machine, comic boxes, Spider-Man, and Kingpin. Venom, Spider-Man, Venom variant, White Spider, Rendition, Spider-Man, Chameleon, and Green Goblin. Wolverine, Spider-Man, Cloak and Dagger variant, Thanos. Ooh, Spider-Man with an auto. Number 2 of 65, autographed by Marco Santucci. That's awesome. I love an artist auto. Spider Slayer and Iron Fist. Iron Spider, Electro, Web of Spider-Man variant, Misty Knight, Tombstone, Hobgoblin Orange, number 299. Fave design in the set too, hell yeah! We got Nova and Lizard. Mysterio, Daredevil, Iron Fist Spider-Man variant, Carnage, Vulture in the Ghost Spider Pink, number 199, J. Jonah Jameson, and Carnage. Vulture, Ghost Rider, The Amazing Spider-Man Black Cat variant, Abomination, Sinister Syndicate, Goblin Green, number 399, Spider-Man and Electro. Cloak and Dagger, Hydro Man, Amazing Spider-Man Nova variant, Storm Beetle, Lasher and Firestar. It really does look like Nosferatu. And our last pack, we have Kingpin, Mysterio, Silk variant, Mr. Sinister, Helen Wheels Ghost Rider, Iron Man and Carnage.